welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Wanjira. I trust that you've had a lovely week. So today I want to try eyelashes installation. This is a full strip installation. I'm going to be using fake eyelashes, Muitu, cheap, affordable from the local stores. Yeah, so I'll be doing this for the first time in my life, and I've watched a couple of tutorials, and where I stand, I feel a little bit confident to be able to hack this. And even if they don't turn out as much as I would expect, then I can always try again. So I just wanted to try this on camera and see how it's going to turn out to be. So watch through the video and let's see how this is going to turn out to be.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse and then you check the time, it's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. Everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
He never answers me. When I call, he makes me feel so lonely. Didn't think you'd give up so easily. Yesterday and laughter feels so far away. I miss the old days. Memories of us keep killing me slowly. You don't really care, don't want you to hold me. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
This definitely feels fake, and my eyes feels like I'm wearing a coat or something. So let me go to the next lash. I hope it's going to turn out better than this one. I have really struggled to install this one. And I think this is such a difficult job if you don't have a small mirror or a mirror near you that you can use. So we go directly in putting the glue, not too much glue. Like I have noticed, if you put too much glue, it's going to become such a messy affair. So you wait for this to become tacky so that it can be easy to install. Oh, beauty. My eyes look like I've put on mascara. it's it's the glue. I love the way this one has come out, and it's such a messy affair for me. Look at the way my hands look like, my fingers. But I think this is the best that I can do. So let me come back and clean up and see how this look is going to turn out. Oh, I'm done, and this is not something I would say it's easy. It's one of the hardest thing I've ever tried, next to the knotless braids. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching through until this part, and I'm happy that I've tried these out. I don't know how it looks. For me, they feel very fake. I don't know if it's because this is my first time wearing them, or it's because I have done it the wrong way, but I think it's a different look for me. It's not something that I would do often, but I know there are girls who really love wearing long lashes, and do you? I think that's the most important thing. Yeah, and I hope I have taught you one or two, three things that you didn't know about lashes and laugh through the video, um, because this was just it's an awkward one. Yeah, so I hope to see you on the next vlog, and I would also love to see what well, how you've done your lashes, if you ever tried it. Is it something that you liked? And maybe also the next tutorials that you'd want me to do, or the DIYs that we can try together. Yeah, so have a lovely week and see you soon. Bye.